Good morning students, welcome back to the maths class. Today we will continue the exercise 5.2. Up to 4th sum we are completed. Now we will see the 5th sum. An isosceles triangle has equal sides, each 13 centimeter and a base 24 centimeter in length. Find its height. They are asking for the height. We will see how to do the sum. So, the 5th sum will start like this. In an isosceles triangle, the altitude divides its base into two equal parts. That means, if you imagine this is an isosceles triangle, the altitude 90 degree, the altitude divides the base into two equal parts. That means, if this is 13 and this is 13, if this full length is 24, then this length is 12 and this length is 12. 12 plus 12, 24. Mark this as A, B and C. So, mark this altitude as AD, and in ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABD, what triangle we are taking? ABD. This triangle we are taking ABD. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So AB square AD, we will find we are going to find the AD, that is the height. AD square equal to AB square minus BD square, which is equal to 13 square minus 12 square, which is equal to 169 minus 144 equal to 25. So AD square equal to 25, AD square equal to 5 square, therefore AD is equal to 5 centimeter is the height of the triangle. Okay children, now we will move on to the next question. Yeah, 6th question, find the distance between the helicopter and the ship. The diagram is given, we have to find the distance between helicopter and the ship. This is D. If you are seeing, this one is the hypotenuse. This is called the hypotenuse. We are going to find the area of the length of the hypotenuse only. So I am going to draw a right angle triangle. Let A represent the helicopter and S represent the ship. Mark this point as P. So we will write this one. Let A be the position of helicopter. Otherwise H we can take it as H also. It's our wish only. So mark this as H. H represents the helicopter, S represents the ship and P represents the point at 90 degree. And S be the position of ship. S be the position of ship. This is 80 meter and this one is 150 meter. It is given in the diagram itself. So by Pythagoras theorem, since it is a right angle triangle, by using the Pythagoras theorem, H helicopter HS square only we have to find. HS square is equal to HP square plus PS square. HP square plus PH square. HS square is equal to, what is HP square? It is 80 meter. So 80 square plus 150 square. 80 square is 6400 plus 150 square is nothing but 22,500. If you add the both, you will get 28,900. So this is HS square. HS square is equal to, what is 28,900? It is 170 square. So HS is equal to 170 meter. Therefore the distance between the helicopter helicopter and the ship is 170 meter. Clear, children? Now we'll move on to the next question. So now we'll move on to the 7th question. Look at the 7th question. In a triangle ABC, line L1 is perpendicular bisector of BC. This line is perpendicular bisector of BC. If BC equal to 12 cm and SM equal to 8 cm, find CS. This is the question is asking in your book. We will see how to do the sum. Now we will start the 7th sum. You should draw the diagram. Whenever you are doing the geometry, you should draw the diagram first. Draw the triangle, but you have to use the scale, ruler and the pencil to draw this, and draw the perpendicular bisector. Call this line as L1. This line only L1, and this point is midpoint, that is nothing but M. This is 90 degree, and drawing a line from the perpendicular bisector line to the C. Mark this point as S. Mark this point as S. Let this vertex be A. ABC is the triangle, and draw a perpendicular bisector L, which is passes through the midpoint M, and draw a line from S to C. They are asking what is the length of SC. That is the question. So this one we have to explain somewhat. Solution: given L1 is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Therefore, once again, perpendicular bisector of BC. Now angle SMC is equal to SMC. This angle is 90 degree. We know that is 90 degree, and BM is equal to MC. These two lengths are equal because it passes through the midpoint. Therefore, BM is equal to MC, and BC is equal to 12, which means BM plus MC is equal to 12. If you add this BM plus MC, we are getting 12 because BC equal to the full length is 12. It's given in the question itself. Now, since the both are BM and MC are equal, in place of BM I am going to substitute MC plus MC is equal to 12 itself. Since BM and MC are equal, so I am going to substitute MC plus MC equal to 12. 2MC is equal to 12. MC is equal to 12 by 2. It is nothing but MC is equal to 6. Simply what we are finding, we are finding the half of the length. What is the half length of this MC? What is the length of MC? We are finding MC is equal to 6, and also given SM is equal to 8 centimeter. SM is equal to 8 centimeter. It is given. So now, by the Pythagoras theorem, this length SC square, that is the hypotenuse, SC square is equal to SM square plus MC square, which is equal to SM is 8 square plus 6 square. What is 8 square? 64, and 6 square is 36, which is equal to 100. So therefore SC square is equal to 10 square. 100 is 10 square. Therefore they asked for the SCS. So CS is equal to 10. SC is equal to CS only. So we write CS is equal to 10 centimeter. Are you able to understand? I will show it fully. So like this only we have to காப்பிடுவேன் children. Okay, thank you children, we'll see in the next class.